Hi guys, I'm making this video because both your favorite teachers are away on excursions. Um, so hopefully you will be able to go through this video and do your task for today. Last session we learned about um, how to log into Grok, and we did the first module. You can click on this three lines icon and it expands up, and you can see you're in the first lesson here. But if you want to scroll down and go to the second lesson, so this is what you can do to switch to different lessons. I'm on to the first lesson of calculating things. This is what I'm going to talk about today. Hopefully you have finished rest of the tasks of module 1. This is module 2. So once you're on the first lesson, you can just close this and we'll start learning about it today. So today what am I going to talk about? I'm going to talk about that Python can be used as a calculator. It's very easy to do calculations in Python, and all you have to do is say print, and within the brackets, first and last, watch when I click on this bracket, it highlights the last bracket. This is one way of checking whether you got the brackets right or not. If you click in the middle bracket here, it highlights the other one. And normal process of mathematics, you just put in numbers, put a plus sign, star is for multiplication, and it calculates whatever expression you have put in and gives you the answer. If I change something here, I'm just moving 160, the number should reduce. I'm going to run it and see the number has reduced. I'm going to put that 60 again because it is useful to calculate. So I'm interested in what does it calculate? It calculates the seconds in the leap year. How many seconds? So see, 365 days plus 1 is 1 extra day in the leap year, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. And if I multiply all of them, I get this number, which is the number of seconds in a leap year. Okay, so let's go further. What we can do is, instead of using numbers straight away here, we can store numbers in something called variables. So 365 is the number and days is a variable. Think of variables as a box where you can store something valuable which you like your lollies or something. So at present, what am I storing? I'm storing 365 in a box which has a name days. Okay, same 24 is being stored in hours, which is the name of the other box. Look that the number is written on the right hand side and the name of the box is written on the left hand side. So we will not call it a box or name of a box. We will call it, in computers technical language, we'll call it a variable. So let's go to the next line. 60 is the number which is stored in the variable minutes. Hope that makes sense. Now we can do this. We can use these variables, the names of the variables, and we can put them in our equation instead of the numbers. So 365 on the first line has been replaced by days in this expression. Plus 1 will stay as it is because that is one extra day. 24 has been replaced by hours. 60 has been replaced by minutes. Another 60 has been replaced by seconds. And now this whole expression, whatever value it gives, is stored in another variable called leap year. And then I print the leap year in the next line and I get the same result. One thing I don't like about this code is that it says leap year. Actually, it is calculating the seconds in the leap year. So I would say leap year seconds is a better name for the variable. Also, I like to say leap year are two words, and I would like to start the year with a capital Y. The first character is small always, but any extra word you add, like an year or seconds, what do you do with that? You start that word with a capital character, and then that's what I need to print. This is what I'm printing, and it should give me the same result. Here you go, run. It gives me the result. So always name your variables with what you're trying to store. It should show us what is the value inside that variable. The variable name should be very clear. When some other person reads that, he or she should be able to understand what is stored in the variable, what kind of value is stored in the variable. I hope that makes sense, and that's the first lesson. And what I will do, I'll stop recording here. I'll make multiple videos like this and see if you can just go through those videos and complete your task in the end, which is the green one here.